You know what I should never be a part of? Pageants. I have this overwhelming feeling that something else would fly out of my mouth. So like, for example, hi, I'm Marie. I'm from Dallas, Texas, where the heat is just as exhausting as the men. I fully believe something like that would truly happen. So anyways, it's a good thing I'm not in pageants. So there's that. But I do want to say before I get into this haul to the ladies who joined my Instagram live with me this morning while I put on my makeup and kept me company, thank you so much. Love you guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and jump into today's video because I need food and I should probably eat before I do this video. So I feel like I'm gonna change into like a T-Rex, a very angry dinosaur here in a minute. So you guys know I love this store, so let me show you what I got, and I'm really excited for some of these things. Actually, I got some stuff for my daughter's college apartment, so I will show you guys that stuff now. And the first thing that I decided to get are these suit storage bags. I bought a few of them, and I thought this would be a really great way for her to put all of her clothes in instead of like doing the trash bag thing, which is probably honestly cheaper. It is cheaper doing the trash bag thing, but I thought these would be really nice. I know how much room there is in these because I have a couple of them. I use them to store, you know, wrapping paper for Christmas and stuff, but I also have them in my closet. I have them over some of like dresses and stuff like that. Anyways, I got them so that she could use these as a packing, moving hack, if you will. Also got just some napkins for the apartment as well. I mean, there's 150 in here. I thought that was a great buy for $1, so I got those. Then I also got her some sponges. I went with the cuter kind. You guys know I get the 2-pack with the green, but these are also a 2-pack, but they just have like the cute little designs. I don't care one way or another, but I always end up getting the green ones. And so I got her these 2 different kinds. And I also got her some cleaning gloves. I don't know if actual cleaning is going to be done, but...
Alright, so I'm here editing and I had stopped the video right at this point, and then I looked at my facial expression and I thought to myself, look at you with the gloves.
Got her some gloves for that just in case. And I got some of the foil sheets, 1 box for me and 1 box for her. I ran out of mine. I love these. I can't say enough good things about them. They're just foil sheets. I use these mainly to bake cookies in the oven. And yeah, they just fit really well in the pan. And I got her a box as well for her place. And oh, I also got her another pack of sponges. So I guess 2 of these. And I also got her these containers from the Dollar Tree that say fridge storage bins. You can see I have the little handles so you could easily like pull them out. I got 4 of them just because I wasn't sure. She's gonna have roommates, so I thought maybe this will be a good way to like sort her items that she buys, or I don't really know. I just thought it'd be a great way to have like all of her things, I guess, together in one spot. I mean, obviously not everything's gonna fit into these, but so can you believe these are at Dollar Tree for $1, these clear bins? That's craziness to me. Anyways, love those. So those are for her. And then for this house, I got this cleaning towel, this microfiber, and I feel like this is the cloth I need to wipe down the granite countertops that I have. And I think I've been using too harsh towels for that. I did buy one not too long ago from Dollar Tree. If you watch all my videos, I bought a white one from the car section, but I need another one just in case one's in the laundry. And so anyways, I got this one. This next product I have been telling myself mentally to buy, and I keep forgetting to pick it up, and I keep forgetting to put it on my list because I also create a list on my iPhone, and it's just the funnels. It's a little funnel set. I thought I was just grabbing one, but then these were tied together, and it says it's a 3-piece. A 3-piece funnel set for $1. What? This, I'm gonna use this when I'm creating my cleaning solutions. just plop it into the bottle and then pour everything. It would be so much easier that way. So that's why I got that. And also I picked up some more tissue paper. I have a lot of tissue paper, but I wanted some of the solid colored ones, and I think I ran out of the yellow. And at the end of this video, I think I'm gonna put together a little gift. It's not a big deal, like really, it's not gonna be a big deal, but I'm gonna throw it into the end of this video anyway. And so I picked up the red little bags. So we're gonna do a red bag and yellow tissue paper and then yellow ribbon. I thought it would just be really, really pretty. So, and the gift is pretty small, so we're gonna add it to there. Then I found these new Pure Silk shaving creams at Dollar Tree. Now I've seen Pure Silk before, and I've probably have picked up this raspberry one in the past, but for some reason I feel like these three are brand new. Maybe they're not, but something in my mind said I have never seen or picked up the coconut one, and this one I am most excited about. I have no idea why, but I love the packaging. I love the colors. This one is ultra sensitive, and it looks like there's aloe in the picture there. So why is it not focusing? And then this one's a raspberry mist. What? So yeah, I'm very excited to try those out. So I'm gonna put those over there. And then I finally picked up some new puzzles. I did. I pick up a lot of puzzles, and I always tell myself, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. And I've just been so busy, you know? It's like every time I think something is going to calm down enough for me to do a puzzle or to color in my coloring books, something else happens. I mean, I guess that's just life, but I can't help but still want to get these things. And you know what, at the end of the day, I feel like I just gotta put it all aside and just do a puzzle or do the coloring. And here are these new ones. They're 300 count, which knows I like starting off kind of easy. I don't like starting off with 500 or 1,000. I think these are really cute, very summery. Look at all those details. That looks like it would be hard. And then here is this version, which I can't tell. Is this Vegas? Then here is this one, which I really love because food, you know, burgers. This one looks like a lot of fun. I love the American flag. That's really cool. I feel like this one's gonna be really hard too. I mean, it's 300, so hopefully not overly hard. This one, so fun. Very San Francisco. And then this one, which is really beautiful and serene. I feel like these are definitely brand new puzzles. My Dollar Tree book collection is growing considerably, and I'm very excited because I feel like I've been finding a lot of gems this year. Let me tell you, I found some more. This one is called Ungodly, The Goddess War. Then this one says A Gathering of Ravens. Look how cool that cover art is. So that one, and then I found another bestseller tag book by the author, oh, I can't read it. Oh, Daniel Silva, House of Spies. I love that name, House of Spies. I think that's really cool. Never read The Black Widow, but I guess he's the author of that. So if you have, House of Spies is written by the same person. You guys, $1. Like, I don't even know how that happens. I truly don't. Then I did pick up another stencil set. I feel like I know I have a bunch, but I couldn't remember if I have this font or not, and I needed it for a fall DIY. So come back Sunday for my fall DIYs, and I feel like I'm gonna use this one. And the very last thing, as soon as I saw it, my brain exploded. I was not expecting it whatsoever. And Dollar Tree did this. Gold baskets. I feel like this is new. And I keep saying this because every time I look in the comment section, you guys are like, oh, that's been around, we've had that in the store. And then I think to myself, well, my memory's pretty bad. Like, have I seen it before? Have I bought it before? But I just don't think I've seen this. I think this is completely brand new. I got 2 of these long ones. Look at that, how gorgeous. You wanna do yourself a little makeover in your own craft room or whatever you have going on, your office. These are gonna be absolutely chic and gorgeous for that. I got them for my daughter's apartment. and then here is a round one. Like Dollar Tree didn't just stop here. They said, let me give you options, is what they said. And how many times have I done, not how many times, but the DIYs, you know, of watching, you know, people spray paint Dollar Tree products gold. Dollar Tree said, well, we'll take care of that for you. And these two are the same size, yeah. But absolutely stunning. Just to give you guys an up close look of that gold. And the gold is beautiful too. It's like the perfect gold. It's not that yellowy, cheapy look to it. It is literally the most perfect. It does have a sheen to it. It's not too shiny, but it's not completely matte. But it has that look where it kind of looks more matte than shiny, and I love that. All right, so that's it for today's haul. And now I'm gonna go ahead and work on the little gift. Again, like I mentioned, it's not a big deal. You're literally gonna watch me stuff tissue and put some curly ties, but I thought it might be fun to just add this into the video anyway, so let's do that.